Would you guys still be a subscriber if I wore my hat like this every video? Flip right here, 22, let's go! We're in Austria, it's so pretty! Side note, if you guys know where this sweater is, con team, if you're part of the con team, give this a thumbs up because I am also part of that con team. Hey guys, it's me Erin, and today we are doing a braided hairstyle. So I thought this would be really fun to teach you guys how to do the 5-strand braid because everyone knows 3-strand braids is just super basic. Like, we aren't basic like that. We like to be complex. We like to be different. We like to stand out in the crowd. I literally feel like a turtle when I do that. Starting off this video nice and weird for you guys. So we are doing the 5-strand braid today, so I think this should be a really fun variation on the normal 3-strand braid. So if you want to learn how to do that, stay tuned. I'm keeping it 100% real with you guys. I'm a Jays fan, but my boyfriend got me this from New York somewhere in it. Plus it says my name on the side, so that's a plus. Second thing of keeping it real with you guys. My hair is very, very greasy right now, which is why it's in a hat. So we're just gonna learn how to do the braid in a hat. Let's start. So the first thing we're gonna do is brush through our hair to make sure it is tangled through to start our hairstyle. So the very first step is to divide our hair into 5 sections, and I'm taking the outermost piece on the right and placing that over the first section. And then now I'm going to be pulling it over, and just remember we're going over, under, over. So that section that we had now went over, and now it's going under. As you can see from the very left now, the piece went over, so now it's going to go under the next section, and then it's going to go over the 4th section, and then under the one on the very, very right. Again, the one on the very right now is going to go over the section, and then now we're going to go under, and then now we're going to put that over the next section and then under. I realize this is a little confusing, but if you guys just say like over and now under, and then next we're going to place that over, and then we're going to place it under, it's going to be way easier for you guys. That's how I first learned how to do this braid. I just kept saying over, under, over. So one more time, it went under. So now the piece is going to go over the next section, and now it's going to go under the section on the very, very left. This is one of those videos where you kind of just have to practice and practice and practice, and everything just gets so much easier. So now I'm just going to speed up the video, but we're doing this the entire way. Wow, so fast. So now that we're done, we're going to tie it off with a hair tie. I like to take a smaller one just so it's easier to blend in, and I like to pull the sections just to really fluff up my braid and give some volume to it. Ta-da! This is the final hairstyle. I think this is so much cuter and like way more complex than the 3-strand braid, but really it was super easy. So yeah, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and give me a big old like right down there. And also don't forget to comment down below if you guys have any suggestions for future videos. And you guys also tweet me at fliphair22. All my social media is right over here. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys are notified every time I post a brand new video, as well as my vlog channel. So you guys can subscribe to that right over there. I know you guys want to hit that subscribe button right over there to my vlog channel. I vlog every single week, and I post a new video every single Tuesday, so you guys can get new videos every Friday on here and Tuesday on my vlog channel, twice the amount of fun. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next week for another Flip Hair Friday. Bye!